I really love you. Like, I want to marry you. I want that. Baby, I promise you, I really want to have kids, and I just really want to start a family. It's like, you mean the world. Man, I'm about to start crying.
Don't cry, baby.
I don't want to cry either, but I really love you. Ooh, I'm crying right now. I don't want to open my eyes and you'll see my tears. But I feel one right there, but I really fucking love, like, real, I mean, I'm like, no, don't laugh. I'm like, I promise, I'm telling you right now, I don't, I don't fuck with no other bitch. No, I'm really serious. I love you. Look at me, I'm crying. That means I'm for real. Like, I promise you, I don't fuck with no other hoes, no bitch. I'm real, like real. I love you. Like, I don't want to never, ever, ever lose you. Like, I, I, I fuck every motherfucker. I don't need no motherfucker. I need you. That's all I need. Fuck everybody else. Like, like, you see me crying, but I'm like, it's like no fake ass tear. Like, it's like love. Like, that's a love tear for you. Like, I'm like, see, fuck cry. I don't care if I'm crying to this shit for real. I love you. I hate when we fight.
Go ahead, baby. Let it
I
out.
hate when we fight. Like, and you be thinking I be cheating, but I'm like, for real, like, I don't cheat on you or nothing. I love
Oh,
you.
baby, stop crying.
I wish you could trust me, bro. I want you to trust me. I promise you. It, I don't cheat on you or nothing. I promise. I just want you to trust me. Now I'm finished talking because I love you and I want to be with you and I need you. I be feeling that you don't leave me. I don't want you to leave me because I love you and I don't know what I'll do.
Baby, I ain't going nowhere.
I don't know what I would do and I'm scared.
Baby, I'm not going nowhere, I promise.
Sometimes I get that feeling like when you don't talk to me and I be like, I just, I love you
Baby, stop
and I
crying.
can't because there's too much shit on my mind right now.
Tell me, open up to me. Let me know what's going on, baby. What's going on, baby?
I love you and I'm scared of everything. Like, I want everything to work.